Southern Delight. I'm so glad that you tuned into my channel today, and I have lots in store for you. As promised, today I have a very new recipe that I'm trying out. And no, this experiment went very well, at least I have to say. So I was really excited to share this one with you. Cordon Bleu, that's always been a very popular recipe for many families, and of course it's a popular one for mine as well, but sometimes you get tired of just eating that same old thing over and over again. So what I did was I swapped it up with a few favorites that my family loves. I thought, how neat would it be to kind of mix these up a little bit? So I took your grandmother's favorite recipe of the Cordon Bleu. You know, she usually used the ham and the Swiss cheese. We are not using ham and Swiss cheese in this recipe. We are going to be substituting turkey breast from the deli for the ham, and for the Swiss cheese we're going to be using pepper jack cheese. So I hope you'll stick around and watch me make this recipe, because I'm telling you, it was a blast for my family. I actually got to serve it twice in the last 2 weeks, and I'm telling you, and we've had clean plates every time. So I hope you enjoy this. Wrapped it in some saran wrap, and then I took and pounded it so that I could make it thinner, so that it's really easier to work with, and then it's a lot easier to stuff it that way. Flattened out your chicken. Take it, and I'm putting it over here in this pan, and I have coated the chicken with the ranch dressing. And I'm going to let this sit for probably about 15 minutes or so that it can go ahead and kind of soak up some of those flavors in there. And I'm going to just let that sit while I go ahead, and my next step is I'm going to take these rolls and we're going to blend them up. And I've got 3 rolls in here, and we're going to take these and blend those rolls and blend them up. We're going to take our breadcrumbs and pour them in the bowl here. These pepper jack cheese sticks, and I'm just going to take them out of the plastic wrap here and get them ready to put in the middle of my chicken. And you don't necessarily have to use pepper jack. I mean, the recipe calls for Swiss cheese, but we love pepper jack cheese. And like I said, this is not your grandmother's Cordon Bleu. And we're going to be getting the deli turkey out next, and then we're going to roll the chicken with the cheese and the turkey, and then secure it with a toothpick and dip it in the breadcrumbs and get it ready to bake. Okay, I've lined my sheet pan with some aluminum foil. Now I'm going to spray it with some non-stick cooking oil. Give it a light spray there. We'll go ahead and turn my oven on. It's going to start layering. I put the chicken breast flat. I put the turkey breast on top of it. And now I'm going to roll the pepper jack cheese, roll it up, and then secure it with some toothpicks. Now my chicken's all rolled up, and I'm going to dip it in the bread mixture and lay it on my sheet pan. Now I've got it moved to my bowl with the breadcrumbs in it. I'm just going to take and cover it in the breadcrumbs. Okay, we've got our chicken all breaded, and we're going to put it in the oven at 400 and bake it for approximately about 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, I'm in like the last 5 minutes of this cooking, and my breadcrumbs seem to be getting a little bit browner than I like. And like I told you, I have a very old oven, and I have to cook on broil. So I'm in the last 5 minutes of this, but I'm going to take some melted butter and just pour on top of it to just moisten it up a little bit. And then continue cooking it for about 5 more minutes. As you can see, the cheese is already starting to melt, to run out of this. It's looking really good. This will just kind of help these breadcrumbs right here to crisp up a little bit so they're not so dry. I'm going to stick it back in there for about 5 minutes. Okay, there you have it. It is all ready to go. And you can just see that pepper jack cheese just melting out of there. Looks delicious.